Now we can try the tube.
Okay.
Here is a connector.
Tube connector.
Yes. What is useful for this pump head? We can use a silicon tube installed on the connector. This tube number is 16.
Okay.
Yes, a very good tube.
Yeah, very good.
You can see the two parts.
Yes.
No problem. The liquid from one side to the other side, or from this side to this side.
Okay, you want to show the customer?
Okay. And this is the drill board.
Okay, control board.
Here is a switch on this. We can adjust it by RPM.
Okay, I can help you.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, it's very simple, different from this pump. Okay, now we start the 10 RPM.
10 RPM.
Okay. Now we mix the liquid full of the tube.
Okay.
Okay, we can try faster.
Okay, you can see.
We can try
the
faster.
liquid coming.
We can try faster.
Yeah, faster.
More faster.
Yeah.
The max RPM for this pump head is 100 RPM.
100.
Yes, 100.
Yeah.
It also
It's
can.
faster.
Yes. Very fast, right?
Okay, stop.
Okay, stop.
Can you make it direction?
Direction?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, only one way.
Yes,
Yeah,
if
okay.
you want to change direction, you have to talk with our engineer. And,
Okay, we can customer made.
Yes, and now we make the empty. Okay,
Okay.
empty. Empty.
Okay.
Yes. And this pump head also used in many areas, such as sweeping rubber.
Okay, sweep the rubber.
Yes, sweeping rubber.
Okay, okay.
Clean the floor.
Yeah.
Right.
We can saw it on the train station.
Yes, also on the air station.
Okay, good.
But now it's only used in forestry, and
Okay.
also used in some areas such as environmental equipment.
Okay.
Also in wash dishes.
wash dishes.
Wash dishes. Wash your dishes.
Okay.
Okay. This is a very good pump head model. And if you want to customize this pump head and motor, you have to tell us in advance. Such as you want to cheap quality, we can give you DC motor, right?
Yeah, DC motor,
Because
OC motor.
This is a
Step
little,
motor. Step motor.
This is a little expensive. If you want a cheap goods, we can change AC motor or DC motor, right?
Yes, but
Yeah.
also according to the quantity.
Yes.
If you can order more than 1,000, they are
Yes.
also very good price.
Yes, we have level price.
Yeah.
Because this is OEM product, we have to give you level price. Such as 0 to 100 is a price, 100 to 200 is another price.
Okay.
All based on your quantity.
Yeah, very good.